Welcome to Ignite Little Stars.
Hi friends, are you ready to sing the ABCs with me? Let's learn the sounds together, it's going to be fun.
A for apple, apple, A for apple, juicy and red. B for ball, B for ball, bounce it high. C for cat, cat, C for cat, soft and neat. E for dog, D for dog, wagging its tail. E for egg, D for egg, smooth and round. F for fish, fish, F for fish, swimming around. G for cat, goat, G for cat, goat, munching hay. H for hat, H for hat, on a sunny day. I for igloo, I for igloo, cold and bright. J for jelly, J for jelly, wiggly and sweet. K for kite, K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, L for lion, king of the jungle. M for moon, M for moon, glowing at night. N for nest, M for nest, cozy and warm. O for orange, orange, O for orange, sweet and round. P for panda, P for panda, black and white. Q for queen, Q for queen, wearing a crown. F for rabbit, F for rabbit, hopping away. S for sun, S for sun, shining bright. T for train, T for train, going choo-choo. U for your umbrella, U for your umbrella. V for violin, V for violin, playing a tune. W for W for whale, splashing in the sea. X for xylophone, xylophone, X for xylophone, playing a sound. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo, spinning around. C for zebra, C for zebra, striped and proud.
Like and subscribe for more.